1. Corona, a global challenge _blank prelude. In December 2019, a new disease virus called corona started to wreak havoc in Wuhan city of China. From there, the disease spread to most countries of the world. Every day thousands of people started dying. Seeing its magnitude, on March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization (WHO) declared it an epidemic. To avoid this, most of the countries declared total demolition and almost the whole world was imprisoned in their homes. Corona infection blank. The coronavirus infects all living and non-living objects in the world. The virus survives on inanimate objects for a few minutes to several days. In humans, it is spread by touching the infected objects, and the nasal sputum and vapor particles coming out of the nose and mouth of the infected person reaches the person's breath. Therefore, to prevent the infection from spreading, it is said to apply a mask on the mouth and nose and maintain a distance of 2 yards from each other. This virus is destroyed by soap, foam and alcohol. Therefore, it is said to wash hands with soap repeatedly and disinfect hands and other items with alcohol mixed sanitizer, antiviral. Symptoms and prevention. Coronavirus attacks the respiratory system of humans. It first enters his throat through the eye, nose or mouth. It does and remains in his throat for 3 to 4 days, due to which the throat produces scratches, rashes and grief. Simultaneously, infected person, cough and cold symptoms start appearing. As the infection in the body increases, the capacity of its lungs decreases and the person starts having trouble breathing. Some people also have redness and irritation in their eyes. The infected person suffers from fever. Sometimes, the person also has problems with stomach pain, vomiting, diarrhea etc. These symptoms do not necessarily show in all infected individuals. Symptoms are mainly present in most of the people: colds, coughs, fever and sneezing, sore throat or soreness or difficulty in breathing. Some people do not have any of these symptoms. No cure for corona has yet been discovered, therefore, the only defense is to be careful now. It's infection because it is spread by touching infected objects or persons. Therefore, keeping it away from infected things is a way to prevent it. To avoid this, each person should take the following measures. Sad face 1. Avoid touching anything unnecessarily, as she may be infected with corona. 2. Maintain at least 2 yards of each other. 3. Do not shake hands. Greetings from far away. Do not get out of the house unnecessarily. 4. On exiting the house, apply a mask on the mouth. While working in offices, markets, schools, etc., follow mutual distance and use masks full time. 5. Cover the nose and mouth with handkerchief while coughing or sneezing, and if there is no handkerchief, cover the nose and mouth with elbow. 6. Make a habit of washing hands with soap at certain intervals throughout the day, or sterilize the hands with a sanitizer. Use gloves in 7 hands. Do not touch the eyes, nose and mouth without washing hands or soaping them. 8. Use only after sterilizing goods brought from the market. 1. Do not spit in public places. Do not consume betel leaf, bidi, tobacco. 40. On returning home from outside, take off shoes and slippers outside the house and if possible, wash or sanitize with soapy water. 11. Wash the clothes with hot water and detergent or keep it outside the house in a corner. 12. Avoid eating cold things. Drink hot water. Drink basil, lava, ginger or gourd and celery decoction. 13. Use fruits, tonic, food to increase the body's resistance power. 14. If you notice any symptoms, keep yourself in a quarantine and immediately inform the health department. Follow the instructions of the physicians. 15. Download the Arogya Setu app on your mobile and keep it active on the same day. Challenges of the world. Due to corona epidemic, there are many challenges before the district. It is necessary to challenges to protect humanity. Some of the main challenges are: A. The challenge of finding a vaccine or treatment. A. The challenge of maintaining the economy. C. The challenge of unemployment. D. The challenge of rehabilitation and maintenance of migrant workers. G. The challenge of restarting trade, factories and traffic. F. The challenge of maintaining social and cultural tensions. G. The challenge of maintaining the spirit of brotherhood and cosmopolitanism. India's conditions and prospects. India has worked in a very planned way to prevent this virus, which has resulted in 70% of healthy people beating corona on August 12, 2020, which is the highest in the world. To prevent this virus, India has suggested to the world a combination of English medicines like yoga, Ayurveda, and hydroxychloroquine. India ranks second in the world in the production of PP kits worn by doctors, nerds, etc. It has emerged as a troubleshooter for them by exporting PE kits, English and Ayurvedic medicines to overseas. Many big business companies of the world have made up their mind to invest in India except China. With this, the entire economy including India epilogue. Finally, it can be said that under Prime Minister Modi's efficient leadership, India will not only conquer corona, but will also guide the entire world while discharging the role of Vishwaguru. Will be